Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to explore about the role of bioinformatics in pharmacy. So let's get started and understand this subject area. Before starting the session, I would request the new viewer to like and subscribe the channel if they haven't done yet. So let's begin the session. Let's first understand bioinformatics. As in many of my past videos, we have mentioned that it is an interdisciplinary field that harnesses the power of computational technique to analyze the biological data, is increasingly revolutionizing many sectors like biotech, biomedical, and including pharmaceutical industry. Here in this session, we try to delve into the multifaceted application of bioinformatics in pharmacy, which include drug discovery, personalized medicine, pharmacogenomics, and drug repurposing. By integrating large-scale biological data sets, bioinformatics facilitate a deeper understanding of disease mechanism, thus optimizing the drug development pipelines and enhance the patient-specific therapeutic strategies. In the recent time, with the advent of high-throughput technology and the explosion of biological data, have introduced bioinformatics at the forefront of the modern pharmacy. This convergence of biology, computer science, and information technology enables the comprehensive analysis of complex biological data sets, thus leading to unprecedented insight into the molecular and cellular processes. As we know, bioinformatics tools and methodologies are essential in deciphering the vast amount of genomic, proteomic, metabolomic data, along with the other omic data, which in turn derive the innovation in drug development and personalized medicine. As we have mentioned, bioinformatics plays a critical role in drug discovery and development process. Traditionally, drug discovery methods are time-consuming and costly, often with a high failure rate, but bioinformatics enhances this process. And these are some of the significant steps involved here, like target identification and validation, using multi-omic data to identify potential drug target and validate their relevance to the diseases is a critical step. Along with that, lead compound identification, employing virtual screening technique and molecular docking studies to identify and optimize lead compound. It also plays significant role in optimization of drug candidate. Applying quantitative structure-activity relationship, Quasar models are utilized to refine the drug candidate for better efficacy and safety profile. Moreover, it also plays significant role in predictive toxicology, utilizing bioinformatics tool to predict potential toxicity and adverse side effect early in the drug development pipelines is also playing a vital role. Along with drug discovery and development, it is also playing a significant role in personalized medicine. Personalized medicine, as you know, aim to tailor therapeutic strategies to individual patients based on their genetic makeup. Bioinformatics provides genome sequencing and analysis, analyzing the whole genome and exome sequencing data to identify genetic variant associated with disease susceptibility and drug response. It also plays significant role in pharmacogenomics, which is studying the impact of genetic variation on drug metabolism, efficacy, and toxicity, thereby guiding the selection of optimal drug therapies. Along with that, bioinformatics has impact on biomarker discovery, identifying and validating biomarker for disease diagnosis, prognosis, and therapeutic monitoring through integrative analysis of multi-omic data. And also, this sector has impact in the areas of clinical decision support system, developing bioinformatics-driven tools that assist clinicians in making informed treatment decisions based on patient genetic profile. The next sector is pharmacogenomics. It's a subfield of personalized medicine which focuses on how genetic variation influences the drug response. Thus, bioinformatics contribute to pharmacogenomics by data integration and analysis, combining the data from various sources such as genome-wide association studies, transcriptomic and proteomic to understand the genetic basis of drug response. Additionally, variant annotation and interpretation, using bioinformatics tool to annotate genetic variants and predict their functional impact on drug metabolizing enzyme, transporter, and targets. And along with that, population pharmacogenomics, analyzing genetic diversity across population to identify population-specific drug response profile and guide the development of tailored therapies based on that. The subject also plays significant role in drug repurposing, which is part of pharmacy. Basically, drug repurposing is the strategy of finding out new therapeutic use for the existing drug. This area gets accelerated by bioinformatics approaches. Let's see how. Number one is data mining and pattern recognition, analyzing the existing biomedical databases to identify potential new indication for approved drug. You can also try network pharmacology, which utilizes network-based method to explore drug-target disease interaction and predict off-target effects. Along with that, computational modeling, which is applying the machine learning and artificial intelligence to model disease-drug relationship and thus prioritize the reproposing candidate. Let's see a few of the challenges and future direction of bioinformatics, especially in the pharmacy. We know it holds immense promises, but it still comes with some challenges and limitations. The number one is data complexity and heterogeneity. Managing and integrating diverse and large-scale datasets require advanced computational tools and standardized protocol. And this subject area is also interdisciplinary, so you require collaboration with different kind of team members, fostering collaboration among biologists, chemists, computer scientists, and clinicians to effectively translate bioinformatics findings into the clinical and the pharmaceutical application purpose. Along with that, ethical and privacy concern, ensuring the ethical use of genomic data and protecting the patient privacy in bioinformatics research is also significant. This also requires regulatory framework, thus developing a regulatory guideline that keep pace with the rapid advancement in bioinformatics and personalized medicine. Future direction in the bioinformatics and pharmacy include the advancement of AI-driven drug discovery platform, the expansion of pharmacogenomic databases, and the implementation of real-time bioinformatics tool in the clinical practice. By addressing the current challenges and embracing the emerging technology, bioinformatics will continue to drive the innovation and improve the outcome in the pharmaceutical industry. No doubt, bioinformatics is transforming pharmacy by enabling more precise and efficient approach to drug discovery, personalized medicine, pharmacogenomics, and drug reproposing. Through the integration and analysis of vast biological datasets, bioinformatics not only enhances our understanding of disease mechanism, but also provide a smart way for the development of novel therapeutics and individualized treatment strategy. As the field continues to evolve, it promises to bring about a new era of innovation and efficiency in the pharmaceutical science. I hope you have liked the session. If you like training or research project opportunity in this subject area, you can contact us. And if you have liked the session, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And do share these information among your scientific endeavor. Thank you.